If you're trying to learn Spanish, like I am, you've probably signed up for a course, and that course is probably online. I've been trying out a few courses, and I put together a series of sheets that I hope will accelerate your learning. This first sheet is a list of basic words that are constantly coming up in the courses I've looked into. Take a screenshot of this, and before each lesson, spend a few seconds glancing over these so that they're memorized and you don't have to keep looking them up. This next sheet is a summary on numbers and how to count. As they say on Shark Tank, you have to know your numbers. This next sheet is everything related to dates and times and how to express dates and times. Like numbers, it's important to understand and be able to express accurate dates and times. This next sheet is a way to increase your vocabulary by mapping suffixes to transform English words into Spanish words. And this last sheet, at least for this video, is a taste of what makes learning Spanish difficult, at least for me. Take a look at all the forms of the verb, in this example, to be, and this only covers the main situations. There are so many situations, for example, I would have been. All the situations couldn't possibly fit on one sheet. Note that any letters in bold are to help you identify the conjugation patterns, also known as how to form the verb based on the person or people performing the action. And I want to also show you this sheet on the verb to have because it more closely follows the more common conjugation patterns. Again, highlighted with the bold letters. Many verbs don't follow the same pattern, so as you learn new verbs, I find it helpful to have a separate sheet for each verb. So take screenshots of the screens in this video, and I'll continue to post videos as I figure out intuitive ways that help me learn.